In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Word document online in eLove PDF. First, go to I Love PDF. You will see a clean and simple interface that welcomes you with various tools designed for PDF management. This site is user-friendly and doesn't require any downloads. It works entirely online, which is convenient. The landing page offers an array of options, making it easy to navigate. You will notice that eLove PDF is a robust platform for editing PDFs, and starting here means you're on the right path. Once you reach the homepage, you can quickly access the tools you need without any hassle. Next, click All PDF Tools or open the menu. This action reveals a drop-down list of all the available features. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these options. They include merging, splitting, and editing PDFs, among others. The menu serves as your guide throughout the process, ensuring you have access to everything you need. Once you click on All PDF Tools, you will see the editing options become more defined. This helps streamline your workflow, making it easier to find the editing tools you will use later. From there, select Edit PDF. This step is crucial because it directs you to the tools specifically designed for document editing. Once you click on Edit PDF, the interface updates to show editing functionalities. You will see various options for adding text, images, and shapes. This focus on editing ensures you have what you need right at your fingertips. Knowing where to go is vital for a smooth editing experience. Now, upload your Word.docx file. You can do this by clicking the designated Upload button. A file dialog will open, allowing you to navigate to your document. This is an important step because it brings your content into the platform for editing. After selecting your file, you will see it begin to upload. Once the upload is complete, I Love PDF will display your document on the screen. This confirms that your file is ready for editing, putting you one step closer to your goal. I Love PDF will automatically convert it to a PDF if needed. This conversion is seamless and ensures that your document retains its formatting. The platform handles this step behind the scenes, which means you don't need to worry about losing your text or layout. This automatic feature saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on making the necessary edits. You will see a confirmation message that your file is now ready, reassuring you that the process is on track. With your document ready, use the editing tools to add text. You'll find a text box option that allows you to click anywhere on the document and type. This is essential for making quick modifications or adding notes. You can easily adjust the font size, color, and position as needed. The flexibility of these tools means you can customize your document to better fit your requirements. You'll notice that changes appear instantly, providing immediate feedback on your edits. Next, insert images. This feature allows you to enhance your document visually. You can choose images from your computer to add to your PDF. Simply click on the image icon, select your desired file, and place it where you want. This step is important because visuals can significantly impact the effectiveness of your document. You will see that adding images helps break up text and makes your document more engaging. After that, draw if you need to highlight or annotate specific areas. The drawing tool is easy to use and lets you freehand your notes directly onto the document. This can be particularly useful for marking changes or emphasizing key points. You can select different colors and brush sizes, allowing for a personalized touch to your edits. This kind of annotation can make your document clearer to others who may view it later. Next, add shapes or annotations using the provided tools. This functionality enhances your document by allowing you to create boxes, arrows, or circles. These shapes can direct the reader's attention or clarify information. Utilizing these tools effectively makes your document not only visually appealing but also easier to understand. You will find that these annotations can significantly improve the communication of your ideas. Finally, click Save or Download when you're finished. This step is vital as it ensures your changes are preserved. Once you click Save, you will be prompted to download your edited PDF. This gives you the security of having a copy of your work. You will see a confirmation appear, confirming that your edits are now saved and ready for your use. With these steps completed, you are now equipped to edit your Word document online in eLove PDF.